What you just experienced is seconds compared to what people live their entire lives with. A loud pitch ringing in the ear, also known as tinnitus, can be caused by this. And I'm not pointing at the exhaust.
Now, if you ask a scientist or one of those other nerd types how to describe sound waves, they're probably going to look at you funnily and say, they're waves of sound, and they look something like this. Now again, different frequencies have different wavelengths, different sizes.
Depending on what you read, the safe level of exposure for sound is anywhere between 85 to 90 decibels, but up to 110 decibels, that can start causing permanent damage loss within 5 minutes. And the way decibels correspond with volume is something 10 decibels louder generally corresponds with a doubling of intensity per the previous 10 decibels. This is a sound level meter which measures decibels, which is the force of sound waves impacting your ears. So your ear doesn't have a windscreen, so we're going to be taking two measurements, one with the windscreen and one without. So without the windscreen, going 40 miles an hour, we were getting about 75 decibels. 60, it was bumping up to the 90 range. And at the 75 miles per hour range, we were getting about 120 decibels. Which again, some of this is going to change because this is a decibel meter I got off Amazon. And these little holes can create a turbulence which can skew numbers. But again, your ears are circular and turbulence is created inside your ears. So a noise at 60 decibels is going to be twice as loud as something at 50 decibels. And in that same principle, something 70 decibels is going to be twice as loud as something at 60. So what's the solution? Ear protection. I know this isn't what you wanted to hear, but protecting your ears is a sound investment in your future. I mean, people literally kill themselves because of tinnitus. It's a constant ringing in your ears day and night. It can get old pretty quick. But some people refuse to give up their headphones in exchange for earplugs. And to that I say, why not have your cake and eat it as well? Enter OSHA-approved earplug headphones. As you can see, they look pretty much identical to the earplugs. They insert the ear in the same way. But these are rated to reduce 27 decibels of sound at 90 decibels. They are Bluetooth, and they do have an adjustable volume setting so that you can adjust it while you're riding your motorcycle. And to the people that say earplugs are more dangerous, to that I say, you're wrong. Earplugs and these headphones actually do a great job of filtering the loud wind noise, allowing you to hear other noises such as horns and traffic better. One problem though is the orifice that the music comes through is pretty small, so it can get clogged with earwax. Ask me how I know. The only disadvantage I have found of these is because it is corded, sometimes that rubbing up against stuff like your helmet can make some extra white noise. I wouldn't trust electronic noise canceling headphones either. I'm only going to use a physical ear protection. How noise canceling headphones work is they take that input from the environment, the sounds they are receiving, and they send the signal of the opposite wavelengths to cancel it out. That is a good drawing. So, with the sound canceled out, you don't perceive anything, but it's not saying that that sound isn't coming in. Now, most of these headphones do have soundproofing qualities to improve the listening capability of them, but it's still just electronically canceling the noise. It's not actually mechanically canceling the sound like earplugs would. Now, these may not be as comfortable as the form-fitted headphones, but they are a fraction of the price. Now, safety isn't something that we should compromise on, but for the people that refuse to give up their music, like yours truly, earplugs that also second as headphones are a sound investment. At the end of the day, I'm not your father. But as your father might say, go wear some protection.